Ever wondered what to do in Perth, Australia? Let me guide you through the top 10 must-visit spots in this vibrant city. Nestled within the western shores of Australia, Perth is a city that knows how to enjoy the sunshine. With more sunny days than any other Australian capital city, it's no wonder Perth's beaches are among the most stunning in the world. But it's not all sand and surf. Perth offers a rich tapestry of experiences. From a thriving food scene that celebrates the region's fresh local produce, to a diverse arts and culture landscape, there's never a dull moment in this city. The vibrant street life, the laid-back Aussie charm, and the sheer beauty of its natural surroundings make Perth a destination you'll want to come back to again and again. Ready to explore? Let's dive into the first spot on our list. Starting off our list at number 10, we have Kings Park and Botanic Garden. A sprawling green gem, this park is larger than New York's Central Park, showing off an impressive variety of native Australian flora. From towering eucalyptus to delicate wildflowers, Kings Park is an enchanting walk on the wild side of Down Under's botanical diversity. But it's not just about the plants. The park offers breathtaking views over Perth City and the Swan River, making it a popular spot for picnics and leisurely strolls. Tucked within the park, you'll also find the poignant War Memorial, a tribute to Australia's fallen heroes. A moment of silence here is a humbling experience amidst the natural beauty. And don't forget the Lottery West Federation Walkway. This treetop jaunt takes you high above the ground for a bird's-eye view of the park's sprawling expanse. A calming green oasis in the heart of the city, Kings Park is a must for any visitor. Coming in at number 9, we have the beautiful Swan River. This majestic water body winds its way from the hills to the ocean, carving a path through the heart of Perth. It's not just a sight for sore eyes, but a hub of activity. From the gentle tides of the morning to the golden hues of dusk, there's always something to do here. Fancy a bit of boating? Grab an oar and paddle your way through peaceful waters surrounded by lush greenery. More of an angler? Cast a line and wait for the tug that signals a catch. If you prefer to keep your feet on solid ground, pack a picnic and bask in the sun, all while enjoying the stunning views of the city skyline. And let's not forget the wildlife. From the playful dolphins to the soaring black swans, it's a nature lover's paradise. So there you have it, Swan River, where the city meets nature in a spectacular fashion. At number 8, we have the iconic Cottesloe Beach. Imagine your toes sinking into pristine white sand while your eyes feast on the clear azure waters that stretch out into the horizon. This is the magic of Cottesloe Beach, a beloved spot for locals and tourists alike. Now, let's not forget the famous Indiana Tea House. Standing proudly since the early 20th century, this architectural gem is not only a great place for a spot of tea, but also offers panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. Perfect for those who prefer to admire the water from a comfortable seat. And if you're a sunset aficionado, prepare to be charmed. The sunsets at Cottesloe Beach are nothing short of spectacular, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, and casting a warm glow over the entire landscape. It's nothing short of a visual symphony. Ready for a dip? Cottesloe Beach is the perfect spot. Number 7 on our list takes us to the lively Freemantle Markets. This bustling marketplace, a cornerstone of the local community since the late 19th century, is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's an explosion of colors, scents and sounds that assault the senses in the best possible way. Imagine a maze of over 150 stalls, each one offering something unique. You'll find everything from fresh local produce to exotic imports, from handmade crafts to one-of-a-kind souvenirs. And if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. The market is a gastronomic paradise with vendors selling all sorts of tantalizing fare, from traditional Aussie meat pies to vegan delights. Now, let's not forget about the historic building itself, a charming Victorian-era structure that adds a touch of old-world charm to the market. And the cherry on top? Live music performances that fill the air with a joyous energy. For a taste of local culture and cuisine, Freemantle Markets is the place to be. We're halfway through our list at number 6 with the stunning Rottnest Island. A jewel of Western Australia, Rottnest Island is a haven for unique wildlife, most notably the adorable quokkas. These pint-sized marsupials are as friendly as they come, always ready to pose for a quokka selfie. But the charm of Rottnest Island goes beyond these furballs. It's a place where you can trade your car for a bicycle, letting the wind guide you through the scenic paths. As you pedal, you'll find a myriad of picturesque beaches, each more captivating than the last, With crystal clear waters and abundant marine life, these beaches are not just for sunbathing, they're a snorkeler's paradise. And let's not forget the island's storied history, visible in its preserved colonial architecture and lighthouses. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a wildlife enthusiast, or a history buff, Rottnest Island has something for everyone. Rottnest Island, a little slice of paradise just off the Perth coast. Number 5 brings us back to the city with Elizabeth Quay. This urban waterfront wonder is a testament to Perth's modern architecture. Sharp angles and sleek lines define its skyline, creating a visual spectacle that's a feast for the eyes. But the appeal of Elizabeth Quay isn't just skin deep. Its riverside dining options are a gastronomic adventure, offering a wide range of cuisines that cater to every palate. From casual cafes to upscale restaurants, there's a spot for every occasion. And if you're a fan of public art, Elizabeth Quay has you covered. The precinct is dotted with intriguing installations that stir the imagination. Now, who can resist a scenic ferry ride? Elizabeth Quay's ferry services provide a unique vantage point for admiring the city skyline. You can even catch a glimpse of the iconic Swan River as you traverse its waters, Elizabeth Quay, where the city's heart beats on the river's edge. At number 4, we have the family favorite Perth Zoo, a delightful haven nestled in the heart of the city. The Perth Zoo is a world teeming with life, filled with over 1,000 animals of 171 different species, each one a spectacle of nature's grandeur. From the roaring lion to the humble kangaroo, the zoo is a testament to the planet's rich biodiversity. The zoo's efforts to conserve wildlife are commendable, with its involvement in breeding programs for threatened species. It's not just about observation here. Interactive exhibits allow you to get up close and personal with some of these magnificent creatures. Picnic spots dot the zoo, perfect for a family lunch amidst nature's splendor. And if you're keen to learn more, guided tours offer a wealth of knowledge about these fascinating creatures and their habitats. So, ready to embark on a wild adventure? Get wild at Perth Zoo, where the animal kingdom awaits. Number 3 on our list rings in with the Bell Tower. This remarkable edifice is more than just a pretty face in Perth's skyline. Its history dates back to the 18th century with the 12 bells of St. Martin in the Fields. These chimes have pealed through the centuries, from the reign of King George II to our present day. Visitors can partake in interactive bell chiming experiences, a unique opportunity to engage with this centuries-old tradition. But the allure of the bell tower extends beyond its historic bells. Ascend to the top and you're greeted with a panoramic view of Perth's cityscape and the Swan River, a sight that's worth every step. And for those with a romantic streak, the Love Lock fence awaits. Here, couples from across the globe have inscribed their initials on padlocks, fastening their love amidst the tower's historic walls. The Bell Tower, a unique blend of history and modern architecture. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have AQUAWA, the Aquarium of Western Australia. Nestled in the heart of Perth, AQUAWA is a window into the vibrant and diverse marine life that calls Australia's coastline home. Here you'll find yourself face to face with more than 4,000 species of aquatic life, from the smallest of seahorses to the largest of stingrays. AQUAWA is not just an aquarium, it's an adventure. Wander through the underwater tunnel where the ocean's giants glide silently above you. Engage with interactive exhibits that bring the mysteries of the deep to the surface. Touch a starfish, marvel at the colors of a coral reef, and if you're brave enough, take a dip with the sharks. But AQUAWA is more than just a day out. It's a chance to learn about the conservation efforts being made to protect Australia's precious marine biodiversity. Dive deep into Australia's marine biodiversity at AQUAWA. And finally, at number 1, we have the Swan Valley wine region. This isn't just a place, it's an experience, an indulgence, a sensory journey into the heart of one of Australia's most celebrated wine regions. With over 40 world-class wineries dotting the landscape, each offering a unique blend of history, passion, and irresistible charm, the Swan Valley is a wine lover's dream come true. But it's not all about the wine. The region is also renowned for its fresh local produce, from succulent fruits to artisan cheeses, all waiting to tantalize your taste buds. And let's not forget the stunning landscapes, gentle rolling hills, lush vineyards, and picturesque scenery that seem to have leapt straight out of a postcard. To truly immerse yourself in the Swan Valley experience, consider joining one of the many wine tasting tours. You'll have the chance to sample some of the finest wines, meet the winemakers, and learn about the art of winemaking. Raise a glass to the Swan Valley wine region, the perfect end to our Perth adventure.